7:18 p.m. August 24th, 2024. Sun setting. This is the cicada report, along with my update on my health. So I ate some soup. It was like, what was it, 4 o'clock? So from like 3 hours ago. And I got, the bloating. Well, I've kind of been bloating the whole time. But bloating worse. It was bad bloating again. And I got moderate pain, but it was tolerable. So I kind of just took a nap, felt better when I laid down. And now I'm not really in pain, but I'm really severely bloated. And, well, some pain, but not bad at the moment. I heard the cicadas. Why is the sun look all messed up? That's to put the brightness down right there. That's back to normal. What? I don't know, man. Maybe it's something with food allergies or something. Special shout out to Carolyn. She sent me some video links to some songs. And I know all those songs because I've listened to them. It's all the time that they're, when I'm driving around. All I listen to in the car is Christian music. And those are all really good special songs. So thank you for that. That's Max singing in the background. I just turned on him live. I'm gonna say hello to him. Alright, I love you guys. Just trying to struggle through. Still on the laxatives, but there's nothing left. I think everything's gone out of there. Except for maybe lunch. Triangle. Alright. Appreciate all the prayers. Love you guys. God bless.